Hi friends, welcome to the channel of Thankyou ST. Today in this video, we are going to show you about Dado, the laser welding machine. The benefits of this machine and how is this machine used and why should one purchase the Dado machine. So basically, as you know, Dado in Italy means dice. This machine is made up in a shape of dice. You can see there are numbers, so that is over here you have 3, and then on top you have 6, on the side you have 2, here you have 4, and then here on the back side you have 5. The laser machine is made up of in a shape form of dice. The whole machine is inside this small unit. So it has an inbuilt chiller, it has a power supply, the IGBT boards and the other mechanical functions which are required for a laser welding machine. You can see we also have a microscope and a foot pedal which is available, which comes with the machine. You don't have to pay anything extra for these. There is one more surprise in the end of the video which I'll show you, that there is a software which can operate the whole laser welding machine. So like the others, we have a whole big screens. If you go to see the other laser welding machines that Electro Laser provides, such as Master Race, Mega Hit, Mega Silver, those laser welding machines have a whole 7-inch touch screen on them. But this machine can be operated via a mobile, which I will be showing you in the end of this video. So coming back to the machine. Now, why a Dado? So there are a lot of customers in this market who want a good laser welding machine at a great price. There are a lot of Chinese options available in the market, but those machines are not up to the mark in the terms of services. The Dado machine is comparatively better in the terms of performance, in the terms of service is provided by us Thankyou ST, and also it is manufactured from Italy itself. So this is an Italian machine. The price of this machines the price and the details and the rest details of the machine will be given to you. You can just drop in your contact details in the comment section below, and then our team will contact you back for the same. Now the machine is very easy to start. It has a chiller which is inbuilt. There is a system where you put in water from the back, and once you pour in the water, and that's it. All you have to do is switch on the button, and you can see the machines will start in a while from here. You see, as you can see, you heard the voice, the machine has started. Now I'll just press in the button, and that's it, the machine starts. So who all can use these machines? These machines can be used by people who are doing retail work, so the small showrooms or the bigger corporate showrooms like Malabar or some such kind of big showrooms. They can have these machines. People who are having small retail shops and want to have a laser welding machine but are not tending to spend about 6.5 lakh rupees or 7 lakh rupees on a laser welding machine, or nor do they want a Chinese laser welding machine because it takes a lot of space, and then you have an additional chiller, the whole machine is big. So for such kind of people, you can have the small Dado at your retail premises to can give a extra customer value, additional benefits to the customers. Or also to the people who are into the business, who are into the manufacturing business of a jewelry and don't do a lot of manufacturing. So the manufacturing is not huge, but you have a small unit, but you still have a lot of products. Like all the manufacturers know, after casting or after filing, there are a lot of porosities and there are chances of breaking the prong, and such kinds of problems are always faced by the manufacturers. So those kind of people can also go and prefer a Dado for their factory units. This machine cannot be used as a long-term production unit, because if you have a lot of production pieces coming in your unit, so like for example, if you're doing a production of 10 kilos or 5 kilos per month, because this machine has a small chiller. As you can see, the machine is very compact machine and a very small machine and very handy machine to be kept anywhere and possible. So this machine has a very small chiller which turns to be an overheating, can give you an issue of overheating. Rest, this machine can work perfectly fine in front of all those Chinese machines that you have in the market, which cost you the same amount of the money but don't give you the same kind of performance as an Italian machine. And you can also have the benefits of an Italian machine with a very, very, very affordable price. So for more details about this machine, please do write back to us or comment in the comment section below. we'll get back to you. So as I had earlier mentioned, that in the end of the video I'll be showing you the usage of the mobile software for operating the machine. So first, for that we need to turn on the Bluetooth, and then there is this application called W App Dado in the Play Store. You can find it in both the iOS as well as Android Play Store. Where you go there, you can just click on this button and you will find your Dado. Every Dado has its unique serial number. So for example, this Dado has a serial number of 2446. As you see, once you tap on the button, you get this screen. Now this screen has two options. You have white as well as black. So this is the night options, and this is the white, the normal day option. You can see if the machine is ready, it will show you you're ready. Or if I turn off the machine now, so the machine is on the standby mode, so it will now automatically show you your standby mode. You can also see it in the theme, and you can change the theme. You have more options like home, memory, information. When you click on the information, it gives you all the information about the machine. So similarly, and you also have the contact details. If you have any problem with the machine, you can just click on the contact details, and then you will have the contact details of your dealers or the person who has sold you the machine. Now if you go back to the home, you can find this the screen. So now I'll turn on the machine again. Shown ready. I initially also forgot to tell you that this is a detachable chamber, so you can just remove this without anything, and then you have a bigger and a wider chamber to use for a laser soldering. And as you can see, now the power is 1, the light is white over here, so it is basically the power is set. So whenever I change the power, when I go to, or if I go to a 3 power, or if I go to a 4 power, the light keeps changing. Even the dial over here keeps changing. As soon as the light is white, the power is set. And if I change it from here, from the internal part, which is this button, if I just change the power from here, in a button, so the powers will keep changing on the phone also, as well as in the software also. And when I leave it, and you have a white light which comes over here, which is basically meaning that the power is stable. And now you have a foot pedal with the machine, which is given with the machine. This is the foot pedal. If you can see it, with the foot pedal. If we press, there is a laser that is coming. You can hear the sound, and you can also see it's showing over here laser emission. So the machine is working currently. I will also show you how to set a memory in this. So you have to just click the burger icon on the left hand side of the top screen, and you have the second option called memories. You have to just click on the memories. When you click on the memories, you have few tabs over here. You can click on any one tab, for example this. So now I set 5 as the power, and for example I just write memo. That's normally I say, and then I go to home. This is the memo 1. So when I click memo 1, the power automatically changes to 5, and you can see it on the machine also. Similarly, I can change it for the others also. So if I click the power over here to be 12 and write silver, for example, and then I can change it to some other power also, like for example 2, and then save, and then I change it to gold, and I keep the power over here. Let's say consider 8 as the power. But 4 powers that I have saved: 2, 5, 8 and 12. As you can see, I go back to home and I can choose between them. You can see there are 4 dots over here. So if I change any dots, if I go to memo 2 and I click memo 2, the power automatically turns to 2 in the machine. If I go to 8, the power has gone to 8 now. Now if I go for 12, the power has gone to 12. So every power has its unique color identification also. So for example, if you're not using the phone, if you're just using this the rotary which is inside the machine, so for example 6, 5, 4 are green, 3 is a dark greener, 2 is a dark greener, 1 is dark greener, and as you go at the higher power, the 10 is orange, and then 11 is dark orange, and then 12 is proper blood red. So you can see. So the machine indicates about powers also via its color display. So this is a very compact machine which can be purchased by the clients for a very small and particular kind of usage, and also a recommendable machine. If anything else, you can surely comment on the comment box, and we'll give you the details about the more machines. Thank you. If you like this video, please support us by clicking on the thumbs up. And if you want to see such more contents coming up, which we will be posting regular intervals on this platform, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to know any other queries or if you want to know more about this machine, please comment below on the comment section. Thank you, and please don't forget to share the video.